Tonight, Guatemalan children seen deplaning an aircraft on a Texas tarmac Sunday after a federal judge issued an order blocking their removals from the U.S. moments before being deported by the Trump administration. Their fates and those of hundreds of other Guatemalan children in U.S. custody now in legal question. Lawyers for some of the children saying the young unaccompanied Guatemalans were awakened overnight, put onto planes soon after, one of them even taking off before being ordered to turn around. Planes and multiple charter buses on hold for hours on an airport tarmac outside of McAllen, Texas, as a federal judge in Washington, D.C. ordered the return of the children to the U.S. government facilities. In her order, U.S. District Judge Sparkle Suknanan halting their removals for at least 14 days pending further proceedings. Lawyers for the children arguing in court filings that because of their age, they are entitled to special due process protections, adding many fear return and wish to continue pursuing their asylum claims, and that they face risks of persecution and torture in Guatemala.
This administration repeatedly engages in an effort to disregard people's constitutional rights and undermine the rule of law.
Deputy Assistant Attorney General Drew Ensign said at an afternoon hearing in Washington that the government would reunite the children with family members in Guatemala and said, "We obviously think these removals are lawful." This case mirroring similar situations earlier this year when the Trump administration deported hundreds of migrants to El Salvador despite orders from a court not to do so. And another last-minute court order turning around a bus of Venezuelan nationals en route to an El Paso airport as the government sought to remove them to El Salvador.